Richard Mumford. I'm from RCM Carpentry. This is Andy Major. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Richard.
Okay, if you just like to...
I'm the Director of Development for London Residential Land. We are on a development in Chorleywood Road in Rickmansworth. We're building two 5-bed luxury properties in excess of 5,000 square foot each. They are very high specification with underground swimming pools and spas, and all interior fitting is to a very high standard. This also dictates the standard of work and subcontractors to be of a high standard as well, which is why RCM have been employed on this development. I've known Richard for approximately 15 years and we've worked together on many developments, and that's why I have no hesitation in employing them on this development to carry out the standard of work of which we require.